How to retire early with just $10 a day. Imagine being able to retire 10, 20, or even 30 years earlier than most people. Not because you have a huge salary, but because you understand how money works. In this video, we're going to break down the strategy to retire early with just $10 a day. This isn't clickbait, it's simple math and discipline. Part 1. Retirement is not about age, but freedom. Early retirement doesn't mean you stop working. It means you have the choice. You work because you want to, not because you have to. And you can achieve that if you understand this core principle: assets that generate passive income matter more than active income. Part 2. The power of compound interest. Let's take a simple example. You invest $10 a day, or about $300 a month. If you invested in a market index like the S&P 500 with an average return of 10% per year, then, after 10 years equals $61,000. After 20 years equals $206,000. After 30 years equals $566,000. After 40 years equals over $1.5 million. That's the power of time plus compound interest. It's not about how much money you have, it's about consistency. Part 3. Start now, not later. People often delay because they think $10 is too small. But actually, the sooner you start, the less money you'll need. Time is your biggest ally in building wealth. Part 4. Where to invest. If you're a beginner, you can start with index funds like the S&P 500 or global ETFs. Investment apps with daily/weekly auto debit. Investment accounts that auto-reinvest dividends. Remember, the key isn't choosing the highest return, it's choosing what you understand and can stay consistent with. Part 5. Psychological barriers. Your biggest enemy isn't inflation. It's fear of losing money, FOMO, and bad spending habits. If you can control your mindset, the rest is just technical. Closing. $10 a day might not feel like much right now. But if you use it right, that small amount can become your retirement engine. Early retirement isn't a dream, it's a choice you can start building today. Subscribe if you want more videos on financial freedom and slow but steady wealth building strategies.